A very fanatic morning to respected directors, teachers and parents, my dear friends. Myself is Monica studying 9th class. I came from Sundays International English Medium School in the program of Vardhana. Actually, I am standing in front of you to share my ideas about importance of education in life. Education is the most important factor in breaking the cycle of poverty. The importance of education in society is undeniable. It is a necessity that helps us to grow as individuals and become better citizens. It is also an important tool that helps us to acquire new skills and knowledge. Education is the key to success in life. It is also the best way to reduce the poverty and crime. It helps us to become more responsible and mature. It also helps us to become more aware of our surroundings and the people around us. We all want to see our kids going towards a success which is possible through good and proper education. Every parent tells their kids from childhood about the importance of education in life and all the advantages of education to make their mind towards better study in the future. Make your kids and children habitual of writing essays, participate in debates, discussions and many more skills enhancing activities in the schools or at homes by using simple techniques. We are here to help your parents in making your kids better future by providing simple speech on importance of education in life. Better education is very necessary for all to go ahead in the future and get succeed in life. It provides confidence and helps building personality of a person. School education plays a great role in everyone's life. The whole education has been divided into three divisions such as primary education, secondary education and higher secondary education. All these divisions of education has their own dream of doing something different in their life. Primary education prepares the base which helps throughout the life. Secondary education prepares the path for future study and higher secondary education prepares the ultimate path for future and whole life. Our good or bad education decides that which type of person we will in the future. In such competitive world, it is must for all to have good education. The importance of higher education has become increased in getting good job and good position in their life. Many sometimes parents dream for their kids to become a doctor, IAS officer, PCS officer, engineer and other high-level positions. Thank you for listening my words. Hope you understood the importance of education in life.
Indian Army is an special group. They have a larger group. They have enough soldiers, but other countries was not like that. They do not have enough soldiers, but they want to take one person for one home. Who crossed the 18 and 22 years. But the dogs of an Indian army was very brilliant to find a landman's bones. But another countries was not like dogs. Dogs was very weak and very difficult to find landmines. But the other countries have a brilliant mind to fight a duplicate guns and a duplicate army. We want a World War II and the difficult border in the Himalayas. Thank you.
To tell about my school, this is a very beautiful and big school. My school is best school in this area. There are about 500 students and 20 teachers in my school. All teachers teach us in LED very well. They always teach us discipline and good manners to play in school every day before the class starts. My school surroundings are very clean. There are amenities in my school. There are 15 big rooms in my school which are very airy. My school has cultural, library, science lab and spoken English speeches. Our school remaining from 100% and every year they sometimes tell us inspiration stories. They related to playgrounds in my school. I love my school very much. Thank you.
Good morning to respected GMs, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Ashishmani from 9th class studying in Sundays International School. Today I want to share few words about social media. The reason I choose this topic, growing popularity of social media. Do you know what are the advantages and disadvantages of social media? What is social media? Now I will explain. Social media is an online platform where we can share pictures, videos, etc. We all use them in our day-to-day life. It has become an integral part of our life. There are various social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. We all use them to communicate socially as well as globally. Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. Now I would like to mention the advantages of social media first. The biggest benefit of social media is that we can share our thought, feelings with people across the world. Now, even a common man can express his opinion on any national or international issue. Another benefit of social media is that people can show their talent on this platform. Many people gain fame by showing their talent on this platform. It also helps people to earn money. People sell a lot of things like clothes, books, and electronic items, etc. Social media create awareness among its people. People with good knowledge about topics like health, nutrition use this platform to create awareness among its people. It is also made live education possible. It is a great device for education. Now I want to state few drawbacks of social media. The biggest drawback of social media is that addiction. People have got checking social media accounts every now and then. People spend a lot of time on social media, also causes a lot of disorders like stress, anxiety, and sleeplessness, etc. We cannot trust all the information available here. Some information can be true, wise, and can be fake. At the time, false news spread like wildfire through this platform. Apart from the cyberbullying is another major drawback of social media. Our personal information.
Hi parents, my name is Sarshma. I am studying 5th class in South International English Medium School. Today I would like to share few words about a disasters. A disaster is a sudden accident or an event caused by great property damage. Natural disaster. Disaster occur naturally. There are called a natural disaster. Natural disasters have 5 types: global warming, cyclone, floods, earthquake. Global warming. The earth is warmer before the global warming is called a global warming. Cyclone. The storms accompanied by rains. Effects of cyclone. Property damage and the city lights are destroyed. Droughts. The dry weather conditions is a long period is called a drought. Causes of droughts. Lack of rain, overusing groundwater, human actions. Effects of droughts. No food, no water, people and animals are dead. Floods. What is a flood? The excessive water floods the empty areas is called a flood. Causes of floods. Causes of floods. Clogging of drainage, cloud bursting, deforestation. Effects of floods. Property damage. Earthquake. What is an earthquake? The earth crust is made up of plates that move very slowly. It causes a tectonic plates. Effects of earthquake. Earthquake causes a tsunamis. Earthquakes damage structure like dams and bridges, etc. How to measuring earthquake?
Honorable GM, sir, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. This is Janani from 5th class. Today I would like to share a few words about the importance of language. Importance of languages. Languages are the role of everyone's life. Not only role like our mother, father, teacher, languages are also very important in our life. With languages we can communicate our feelings, opinions, thoughts with others. Not only that, do you know what is the first language in the world? The first language in the world is Sumerian. It is not only first language, it is the hardest language in our world. Not only that, do you know what is the first language in our India? In our India, Hindi is the first language. Not only it is also called as mother tongue of India. The last words of me is, if you know Telugu, you can survive in your village. If you know Hindi, you can survive in your country. If you know other languages, you can survive in your state. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, respected young and teachers. My name is Insta. I'm studying LKG. My father name is Shankar. My mother name is Rosa. I'm studying LKG. My school is Shanti International School. I am a community helper. Hey, Roses. Namaskar. Welcome to the 9th
us fresh and healthy. We should always keep our surroundings neat and clean. Our cleanliness can save the environment. We should always keep our water bodies and other natural resources clean. Cleanliness is very important in our life. Cleanliness is good habit. We should also throw the garbage in dustbin. Cleanliness is very important in development of a society. Cleanliness brings us cheerful and fresh mind. Please clean your surroundings. Cleanliness helps us to become a good human being in the society. It said that cleanliness next to godliness. It is our duty to make our country neat and clean. Cleanliness helps us save from diseases. Please clean your surroundings. There is no disadvantage of cleanliness because there is no cleanliness. The diseases will come like corona, dengue, viral fever. Please clean your surroundings. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much.
Very precious morning to respected directors, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. This is Soumyasri from 7th class studying Summit International School. Today I am glad to receive the prize of spoken English skills from the hands of director sir. Now I am going to share briefly about pollution. Issue of harmful substance to nature is called pollution. Pollution is the most serious threat to the whole world. Air, water, soil, noise and land pollution are common and can be seen everywhere. Each type of pollution leaves a negative effect on our lives. Now I am going to share briefly about air, water, soil, noise and land pollution. Air pollution. The smoke from vehicles, cooking furnaces causes air pollution. Surface runoff pollutes the air. Excessive use of carbon dioxide emissions causes global warming, glaciers to melt and sea levels to rise. The stench of floating garbage on the road and the stench of death organs causes the air pollution. It causes accidents which affects the historical monuments such as Taj Mahal and many buildings. Water pollution. The water from the waste from factories and many buildings dumped into rivers, lakes, etc. which causes water pollution. It is the reason to death of sea animals. It causes diseases such as diarrhea and typhoid fever. Noise pollution. The noise from trucks, microphones, etc. causes noise pollution. It affects our hearing and adversely affects our heart. Soil pollution. Excessive use of plastic, registered pesticides in agriculture and registered deforestation causes soil contamination and soil composition. So if we have to take a good life, we have to pay close attention to soil pollution. As a responsible citizens, we have right to clean the water and all the clean. We have to see all the clean areas. Thanks for this precious opportunity.
Respected GM sir, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, this is Kirti from 7th class. Today I want to speak few words about women empowerment. Do you know what is women empowerment? If we talk in simple words, women empowerment means a woman having control over her life according to her beliefs and core values. The concept of women empowerment gained much limelight after its introduction at International Third World Conference. In older times, the problem of inequalities was quite severe. Female education was neglected in many parts of the world, especially in economically weaker areas. Various practices such as sati system, female force and pralha system, etc. are existed quite openly. But even today, pralha system and sati system are less preference for female children and are practiced in many parts of our society. So the real question is, what should be done to address these types of problems? It is very important to educate women. Sometimes individuals are just victims of their own. For those individuals, a small act of awareness can create a big difference. Women should support each other. Women should not tolerate any inappropriate behavior at home or at the workplace. Conclusion is, anything is possible if we set our mind to it. In today's digital time, even a single individual can create a big difference. We should understand our role in society. We should understand respecting both genders equally. Together we have the power to create the world with equal opportunities for both men and women if we play our part right. Women is the symbol of strength. Thank you for this goal.
Respected directors, teachers, parents, and my dear friend, this is our Ashta, a Children Standard. So I am standing here to share a few words about our Indian culture. Every country's culture is unique, economically, traditional clothing, food, religion, music and art. India is rich in its culture and it is the first culture in the world
and supreme culture, and it is considered as the oldest culture in our around 5,000 years. People from different communities live together in India, as well as Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, and other several religions live in our India. People wear up beautiful clothing, and we will cook a lot of dishes. For example, Andhra Pradesh is famous for pulihora, and Karnataka is famous for Besbaliwar, and Hyderabad is famous for Hyderabadi biryani. And our Indian Ayurveda and yoga are becoming popular in the world by the day by day. And it is unbelievable for the world that North, South, East, West, and Northeast and central parts of Indian people has their own traditions and culture. And the official language of India is Hindi, but there are another 20 languages which are approved by our Indian Constitution. And the basic structure, the family structure is joint family, which the all generation people live together in India. India is not a piece of land, it is an emotion to its people, and that is one of the speciality to our India. We all believe, and it is unique to the country, that is, we all believe unity is diversity.
Good morning to Honorable Director, Sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends, and also parents. Myself, I am Hasna Spanna from 9th standard. Today, I would like to allocate few words about importance of education. Education is very important in our life. Without it, we cannot live on. Education mankind. You may get a doubt that is only education is the thing which helps to earn money. I accept that without education also we can earn money. But respect, dignity, and honor will get only from education. If you are educated, we will know what is good and what is bad in our society and development. It teaches us peace and brotherhood, which helps to prevent from war and terrorism. Do you know who introduced this education system in our India? In 1830, Thomas, but many people who are poor think that it would be better if we send our children to work instead of sending them to school. They think like that because they cannot afford the expenses for their children's schooling, and therefore they send their children to lavish work. Therefore, government took a decision to ban this child.
Teachers, parents, and all my friends. My name is Jasita. I study in LKG. My school name is Sundays International EM School. I'm Bharat Mother. The Mother of India. I love my mother. Assembly, love and peace. I love my children very much. I want all my children to stand united. One day, mother. One day, mother. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you.
English, because only one thing, ఎంతమంది నమ్ముతారు ఇంగ్లీష్ వస్తే అదర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. హ్యాండ్స్ రేస్ చేయండి పేరెంట్స్. సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. సింపుల్. ఇంగ్లీష్ మన పిల్లవాడికి అర్థమైతే సైన్స్ అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇంగ్లీష్ మన పిల్లవాడికి అర్థమైతే సోషల్ అర్థమవుతుంది. ముఖ్యంగా ఇంగ్లీష్ మన పిల్లవాడికి అర్థమైతే మ్యాథ్స్లో వర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అర్థమవుతాయి. అదే ఇంగ్లీష్ బట్టి కొడితే అది అర్థం కాదు, ఇది అర్థం కాదు, ఇది అర్థం కాదు. ఈ ఒక చిన్న లాజిక్ని పట్టుకొని మన సన్రైజ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సత్యరెడ్డి గారు అండ్ దేర్ టీమ్, ఐ కాల్ సోల్జర్స్, ఇప్పుడు అదే చెప్తాను, యూ అండ్ యువర్ సోల్జర్స్. ఈ చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ని పట్టుకొని ఇంగ్లీష్ మీదే ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసి ఈరోజు ఇంగ్లీష్ మీదే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ చేస్తున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. కెన్ యూ ఆల్ గివ్ అ బిగ్